Meet Roba, your own air purifier. Cute little Roba looks good just about anywhere. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, car, and even next to our cute Happy Kids room. Roba comes in 3 types. It can be your friend in just 3 seconds. Again, plug, press, and done. Roba is quiet, yet stronger than anyone. Wow! The secret lies in the specialized low-pressure H13 HEPA filter and 3mm fillet-type sterilized carbon filter. Roba is also stylish. You can pick a color that complements various surroundings or customize your own by mixing 2 different colors. A small but powerful air purifier that you have never seen before. It's Roba.